Are you looking for the best circular saw? In this video, we will break down the top 3 best circular saw. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. GKS18V-25GCB14 Circular Saw. This saw equipped with a standard 7.25-inch blade and an 8Ah battery and weighing 11.6 pounds, it's a nimble cutter by itself. But the good news gets better, it has an aluminum accessory track, no special shoe or mounting hardware required. Lay the track on the board or plywood and slide this Bosch down it like a locomotive riding the rails. The resulting rip or crosscut is table saw accurate. To control cutting depth, the GKS18V-25GC14 has a thumb latch right above the trigger. Move the latch forward and press down, and the saw's shoe drops. To fine-tune the shoe's position, simply hold it with one hand while pressing down on the latch. When the shoe is where you want it, release the latch. And the amount of blade exposure below the shoe is right where you need it. At number 2. C3607DWAQ4 Circular Saw. The C3607DWA embodies aspects of the traditional left-blade circular saw that have endeared it to generations of carpenters. Its chief virtue is that it has a high power-to-weight ratio. This is a fast cutter, even if it's not quite as strong as the DeWalt, Milwaukee, or Flex rear handle saws, but depending on the saw you're comparing it to, it is almost 3 to 4 pounds lighter. And since house framing is all about speed, weight counts. Shaving a couple of pounds off will help you get more work done in a day. That could get the house finished sooner and might also contribute to your bottom line. But let's say that you're simply a do-it-yourself owner-builder type. You'll find this Metabo HPT a pleasure to use and a great choice for any DIY project. It will cut any typical framing material but also easily handles 4x6 pressure-treated timber, our test material for rear handle saws, and it has enough power for full-depth cuts of about 2.5 inches whether you're cutting framing lumber, multiple sheets of plywood, or breaking down plywood sheets or lengths of hardwood lumber for that furniture you want to build. The fact that it's so easy is a help not only to professionals, but to those of us who don't handle a circular saw every day. At number 3. Genesis GKS18V-25GCB14 Compact Circular Saw. Not every sawing job calls for the maximum in size and muscle. A compact circular saw has many advantages over the standard size. It's easier to maneuver a compact saw in a tight space, and typically, these saws are lighter in weight, making them easier on your hands when working for extended periods. The Genesis GKS18V-25GCB14 Compact Circular Saw is one of the most versatile compact saws available today. With a 4.0 amp motor rated for up to 3,500 RPM, it packs a powerful punch in a body that is half the weight of many larger circular saws. It's just 4.7 pounds. Plus, it's designed for one-handed use. But the features don't stop there. For messy projects, this saw has a built-in dust port and vacuum adapter to keep the cutting area free of debris. The included tungsten carbide tipped blade is strong enough to cut through any 2x wooden board as well as similar materials, whether cutting straight, rip, or bevel. To use other kinds of blades, all you have to do is remove the existing blade and pop in the other. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.